light. Well, not that way.
Welcome to part 2. So, Aaron back again, and what's the plan for today anyway?
Well, part number 2, we got an 11 layer billet. We want to get a higher layer count so we get more activity in our pattern. So we got a couple of young lads here that are going to swing sledgehammers for us tonight. We're going to draw the billet out, a little longer, a little thinner. We'll cut it, restack it, and start increasing our layer count. And then go from there. 6 inches already, Wayne.
6 now?
Yeah, grew an inch and 2/8. Okay.
Looking good, dude.
Okay, now we get this guy down nice and flat, long out. One more heat, I'll square up both sides, make it nice and uniform. We'll cut it, restack it, and increase the layer count.
Down pretty nice. About half inch, 3/8. Yeah, about half inch still.
Probably, yeah, a little shy of half inch, probably. Yep. Cut that up and take out 22 layers.
Right.
And then we'll go. Okay, Wayne, we got her drawn out now. I want to cut it and restack it, but before I do that, I want to make sure I normalize a little bit and get some of the stress out. Just want you to watch how I do that. What I'm doing now, coming out, I'm checking against magnetism. That still sticks a little wee bit, so I want to keep an eyeball on the exact color of that steel before that color of the steel before it becomes non-magnetic. Eyeball it when it does become non-magnetic. That way there I can train my eyeball, still sticking a little wee bit.
So you basically know the color of it.
Yep, and then after I get the color of it, when it just becomes non-magnetic, I'll go a little bit brighter. Yep. So I'll say a little bit brighter might be only 75 or 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's enough to get that steel to go fully into solution, and then it can relax when I let it cool down to black again. Still a little magnetic right there in the handle.
And you can see the difference, a little darker.
A little bit darker.
Yeah.
I want to train my eyeball of that color, so I guess it's probably somewhere handy 1475 Fahrenheit as soon as it becomes non-magnetic. And I'll watch for brightness when I go into the forge. Okay, fully non magnetic. I want to go a little brighter than this. Now we'll let that cool down to the room temperature, clean it up, cut it, and restack it. Okay, Wayne, 11 layers, just over 6 inches. We're going to cut her down the middle, stack her up for 22, tack weld the outside, back and do another forge weld.
What's going on now? What stage are we at, man?
Okay, Wayne, last job we had, we were at an 11 layer billet that we had drawn out twice this length. We cut it down the middle, I restacked it and gave it a forge weld, so now I've got one piece of steel up to 22 layers. And we've got another billet forged up, which is 9 layers, 1095 and 15N20. We're going to draw this guy out longer and flatter, and then we're going to cut and stack it, make 18 layers. And then we'll get them roughly the same size. I'm going to take the whole shooting match and forge weld them together. Then we're going to draw it out nice and square, and we'll give it a twist, see what happens.
That's a lot of work, dude.
It is. It's a lot of fun too, though. Okay. There's one right there. Yeah.
I'm so straightforward. What are you up to right now?
Now I'm going to cut it in two. 22 layers, slice it down the middle, stack it on top. That'll get us somewhere around 44 layers. I'll bring this down to somewhat square, and then we'll draw it out for length. And we'll do the same thing with the billet that we got in the forge. Get them roughly the same size, same thickness, weld them all together. And then we'll do a twist for a twist pattern for 2 big knives. Face. Okay, Wayne, so now I've got two 22 layer pieces that I cut down the center. Before we started, we were oriented like this. Cut it down the middle. Take those, stack them on top of one another, which doubles our layer count. Should be somewhere around 44 layers now, provided we didn't lose any layers when we were grinding and cleaning up and all that kind of stuff.
That's pretty much drawn down to the size you need, eh?
Pretty close.
Yeah. A lot of layers there now, man.
Probably even starting to see them starting to come out a little bit now, Wayne. You can see now we've taken 2 9-layer billets, cut it, stacked it, made it into 18 layers. You can see as the scale builds up on that guy out in the oxygen, and you can start to see the pattern lines come out.
Yep.
Now we'll get the young fellas to come at her with the big hammers and see if we can get it down to the same size as the other billet we had. Stack them together for a full layer count of around 80.